In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can remove background noise inside of Canva. Now, this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. So the first thing you need to do is just head over to Canva, and you just need to sign into your account. From there, you just need to open up a project, and as you can see here, this is a video that I've created that I've uploaded to Canva. So let's just say we had a bit of background noise in this video and we wanted to remove that noise. How would we go about doing that? So the first thing you obviously need to do is to add the video. And if you don't know how to do that, you can simply go to uploads on the left hand side and you can then upload files from here. Once you've actually uploaded it and sized it correctly, you can click on it to bring open these options at the top. And as you can see, this one on the right says audio with a little audio icon. So we're just going to go ahead and click on that. And we can edit two things here. We can change the volume or we can enhance the voice. So if we actually click on this, it tells us that we can instantly improve voice clarity on our videos in the noisiest of backgrounds. So this is basically like an AI tool built inside of Canva. And if you turn this on, it will basically remove all of the background noise in the video. And it will also enhance your voice. So it will make it sound a lot better and it will get rid of any unnecessary noise. Now you might have noticed that you will have to upgrade to use this feature. So you have two options. You can either pay for the upgrade, or you can start a free trial by clicking get free trial down here. And from there, you can go ahead and start your free trial. And as you can see, they're giving me 30 days for free. So that's how you can remove background noise inside of Canva. I hope you found this video helpful and thanks for watching.